gas water heaters have some things in common: gas shutoff valve, drain valve, temperature and pressure T&P valve, water shutoff valve. Gas shutoff valve. Enercare CSRs do not advise customers to shut off their gas. If it is an emergency situation, transfer the customer to the utility. Drain valve. The drain valve is located at the bottom of the tank near the floor. It is used to drain the water out of the tank. Can be a source of water leaks. Temperature and pressure T&P valve. The temperature and pressure valve is located close to the top of the tank. It prevents water heater from overheating or having excessive pressure in the tank. It releases water if the temperature or pressure is too high. Water shutoff valve. CSRs may advise customers with leaking tanks to shut off the valve on the incoming water line. When facing the tank, the water shutoff valve is located on the right side of the tank on the cold water line. If the customer is unsure which is the cold water line, they can feel the water line to determine which is cold and which is hot. The water shutoff valve may be a lever or a round handle type, similar to a garden hose tap, that is turned clockwise to shut off the water supply.